Ayos.
Okay, gentlemen, interview for duties and responsibilities on board the ship. Master.
Master Sir has the overall responsibility of the ship's safety and security, including the cargo and the crew. Also, he is also in charge of the safety operation of the ship and also compliance with the regulations.
Okay, Chief Officer.
Chief Officer, also known as Chief Mate, is the second in command for the captain. He will move up in the captain's absence. Usually in charge of the ballasting, cargo operation, safety, navigation, and crew management.
Okay, Second Officer.
Second officer is primarily responsible for navigation, maintaining nautical charts and publication, and navigational equipment.
Okay, Third Officer.
Third officer, also known as a safety officer, responsible of maintenance of safety equipment like life-saving appliances and firefighting equipment.
Okay, Boson.
Boson is a shortcut for boatswain. Is one of the senior deck crew and he's also in charge of deck maintenance under the supervision of the chief officer.
AP.
Able seaman duties assistant of duty officer during bridge watch and cargo operation. Also in deck maintenance.
Okay, OS.
Assist with the officer of ordinary seaman, assist with the maintenance and deck, painting and the cargo, and also watch duties in the, especially in Georgia.
Okay, Chief Cook.
Chief Cook, sir, overall responsible for food preparation and for this cleaning of this cabin of the ship.
Okay, Superintendent.
Ship superintendent is a senior professional responsible for overseeing and managing the technical and operational aspect of vessel. Vessel maintenance, dry docking, ensuring compliance with the maritime regulation, ensuring safety and environmental standards.
Okay, very good. Okay, gentlemen, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Cap TV, Tibus TV. Thank you and God bless.